I came across this bit of news, okay, about North Korea. Oh yes, came across this, and that's how a North Korean
news.
Oh yes, but that's how a North Korean sounds. By the way, no energy or not. It's almost like can't breathe. Korea,
Yes.
North Korea. There's no energy, no calorie intake. This is apparently Kim Jong Un, right, the supreme leader of North Korea, has gone ahead and mentioned in one of his addresses recently that food scarcity might be a problem in North Korea.
Did he skip lunch by mistake?
No.
Did that happen?
No. He looks like he skipped a lot of lunches, by the way. He's lost some weight, okay? And he's lost some weight, I think, because he knew he had to give this news. So he's like, I should also look like I haven't eaten, like I have sacrificed a bit.
So he went to looking average.
he went to losing a bit of weight, and almost as if to tell his people that we are all hungry. as if to suggest that. But he legitimately looked a bit scared, about the fact that food scarcity might be a legitimate problem, because bananas, always the metric as far as inflation is concerned.
There is a banana standard.
Banana standard when it comes to economics and inflation. Yes. So the scenario is so bad, and the economic inflation and food scarcity is to this extent where you have to pay $45 for bananas. $45 American currency in North Korea. So only like people going to the parliament are eating bananas.
Oh my god.
Right? And this guy, he just comes out and firstly he announces it as if it's a new problem. Like North Koreans have never been known to be like the most well-fed people on the planet. Guess which land of people?
Bread basket of the world, North Korea. Never.
Guess which people meet all of their nutritional standards? North Korea. Never. Since North Korea was born, after the Korean conflict, since that has happened, there has never been a prosperous time. Do you understand how terrible it is to be a North Korean?
Yeah, and like South Korea is right there.
It's right there. That's why people run away and they're defectors and whatnot. But to just go ahead and imagine, I mean, certain things that are happening here do seem dictatorship-like. Certain things, not to shine a light on, but the Cinematograph Act and whatnot, not to mention it, but you know what I mean. ऐसा लग रहा है कि bro ये क्या हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा बहुत.
धीरे-धीरे मतलब.
हाँ, कि कोई चीज बदल रहा है ऐसा, not for the better.
मतलब let's not maybe one day we will be banning haircuts also.
let's maintain the standard and move upwards. Okay, let's not create a scenario wherein we are meeting our competition down there. Let's not do that. But it is a legitimate country, North Korea, जिसका मैं कभी भी news पढ़ता है, I feel so glad that I'm an Indian. Our problem seems solvable. Like the shortcomings that we deal with as Indians, they seem solvable to an extent,
as
like
compared to them.
Yeah, because there's not that much of hopelessness, dude. Being in North Korea, when you listen to people who have successfully made their way to other countries like South Korea or then the United States, UK, other Western countries which give asylum, to defectors, you hear stories, dude. They're like, this, you can't imagine the horror, and it's like 25 million people.
There was this video of a North Korean soldier just like somewhere in her 30s or something, just watching American fathers behave with their kids, like play around with their kids, and she was just like, dude, North Korean fathers are just not like this. We just can't afford to be this soft.
See, in this country, you can still afford to have hope to different degrees. I get it. It's terrible across the board, like class differentiation, poverty and whatnot. Of course, these are fucked up problems which need, paying attention to. But there are still like, even if there are less avenues, there are avenues, to make stuff happen. Like internet, for example, is such a big thing. Like, एटलीस्ट अभी तक तो उस पे वो सेंसरशिप कंट्रोल वगैरह सब आया नहीं है. मतलब आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा, बट अभी
सॉफ्ट लॉक्स आ जाएगा.
हाँ,
दैट वो father puts a lock on the TV na, that
Yeah,
shit
yeah.
is going to happen.
हाँ मतलब ये मालूम है मेरे को कैसा खोलने का है, but ऐसा सब है. But you know, that is there, but at least like you can have internet, you can sell stuff on the internet. You know, if you're an entrepreneur, you're putting like I've come across like scenarios wherein housewives have gotten together and they've created, you know,
Dude,
laddu
every
वगैरह सबका बनाने का.
YouTube page of recipes and all.
हाँ वो
is a
भी
good
है
example of
exactly.
that, yeah.
So there are at least a lot of new things opening up. You know, in North Korea, you have to apply to the government to have an
everything.
internet connection.
Oh wow, nice. That is some good role.
मतलब you can't just call like Hathway, Ion, ऐसा whoever is
And
your service
how
provider.
do you, and when it goes out, who do you complain to? Like even that is the biggest luxury. Like one guy came like half an hour ago when we had an internet issue to resolve this thing. Over there you can't complain if you have a problem. Band ho gaya? Haan, I don't feel like giving you internet
I
today.
think only 5 North Korean people have no
Authority,
buffering.
yeah.
No. Only 5 North Korean people have not seen buffering. Everybody else who has internet has seen buffering.
No, they are seeing more buffering than internet.
More buffering than internet, exactly. Yeah. But that is the country which I look at and I'm like, thank God, dude. Because there it's madness. Like, you know, the level of people got worried. Like news channels were reporting that Kim Jong-un has lost weight. Is that a sign of stress and whatnot? And it's just a weird, like...
Yeah, it's also like the people over there don't know how bad they've got it.
No, you know how stupid that is? It's like me meeting like a malnourished African child and then sitting beside him and speaking about calorie deficit. You know, I want to lose like water weight, bro. So I want to bring out calorie. That is how it sounds like. He can afford to lose some weight. Okay? Kim Jong-un can.
That is the news. No? Whenever someone loses so much weight in North Korea, they end up dead. Like Kim Jong-un is like, he lost weight and he survived. Like truly he's a great leader.
But exactly, he hasn't lost that much of weight that he looks emaciated. मतलब इतना सा पतला हड्डी पसली वगैरह नहीं दिख रहा है उसका. अभी तक चीक्स है उसको ऐसा ओली लिली करने जैसा शक्ल है उसका. वो गया नहीं है. किम जोंग उन का ओली लिली शक्ल है ना. वो मतलब आई थिंक दैट इज हाउ डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प वुड हैव लाइक मेट हिम इन द मीटिंग. ओले ओले किमी ऐसा करे. And can you imagine his face? That would be the only time when he would want to be malnourished. You know, like,
that's
the only time.
Like Trump is just talking to his people and be like, him?
Yeah.
Nuclear weapons? But he's so cute!
Yeah. And people were, you know, the North Korean news channels were like rife with headlines about what is wrong, is this? Because you have to take into consideration the fact that if something happens to him...
Eat my child.
No, if something... That might be a legitimate thing, dude.
Of course.
You'd never know. Like in North Korea, I mean...
Please, Supreme Leader, eat my child. Lead our country.
It's such a thing, dude, because a lot of people don't know anything about the outside world. Like they have a very different sort of thing. Yeah. And that's why, you know, like my antennas go up whenever I come across something in that orbit of propaganda, in that orbit of censorship.
Yeah.
You know, you tend to make certain connections with, what's going on here, buddy?
Meaning?
For example, one of the things that I'm very miffed about, okay, with is just as an audience, movie-going audience, you know, like of course there are there's no movies to.
There's no movie going now.
Like I'm being nostalgic at this point of time, okay. But then now when you go to movies and whatnot, if an actor is drinking something, they'll blur the bottle or blur the glass. I'm like, dude, you know how much alcohol we consume? Chill, chill with it.
No, that's not going to start or stop me from drinking.
It has no effect. I'm not thinking about it when the actor is drinking like mere ko bhi chahiye. I'm just chilling and following the story. If it's a good story, I'm not paying attention to the alcohol.
Yeah.
If it's a bad story, then I want alcohol. But then that's with anything. If there's bad anything, I want alcohol. That's the point of alcohol, you know.
Reality is not blurred.
Exactly.
Okay, you get out and you see everything is bad.
What's the point in pixelating on screen when you can't pixelate in reality?
Everything else is 18 plus, dude.
Everything else is high definition.
Yeah, high definition 18 plus.
Yes.
Hitting you in the face.
Exactly. And I hope there's a bit more trust both ways. You know, this basically shows lack of trust, dude. From the land of like Satyajit Ray and a lot of people who've been admired across the globe. Apan to sirf admiration dur दूर से किया, कुछ बचाया नहीं सत्यजीत रे का, वो बेचारा स्कोरसेसी को करना पड़ा, यू नो,
उसको करना पड़ा कि हाँ ये अच्छा, like same thing, like विदेशी validation is the one thing that keeps our art and cinema alive.
It saves us, but that's the thing. Still better than North Korea, but I don't think
yet is the key word.
No, I mean, it's too far, dude. But not too. Matlab, yet is. I would not say yet because
still pessimistic.
It's too pessimistic just because of the difference. Like,
like it's astounding how bad North Korea is made with just so many people.
No, let me just clarify. It's alone. There is, like, for example, North Korea is by itself. You know, as far as setting that standard, it's by itself. For example, India you can compare with some other developing nation, which has a lot of manpower and whatnot. There is no comparison to North Korea. You can't compare it with any other country, because you can't compare it with the Middle East.
It's unique in that manner.
It's unique in that manner. There is no comparison. What will you compare North Korea with? With North Korea. That is it.
Yeah. At one point, it like maybe an ant colony. That's what North Korea you can compare it with.
No, it's an isolationism thing playing itself, like, the snake cannibalizing itself, like eating its tail. That is what it is. And of course, there's no K-pop. Like, just imagine the stark difference in
there is no...
There is K-pop on that side of the border, where boys are just putting on makeup and killing it, buddy. Like dancing and whatnot.
7 at a time.
7 at a time. Boy bands. Boy bands. There are boy bands on that side of the border. Can you imagine how different childhoods have to be for boy bands to be a possibility in your teenage years?
Just like... The dreams are so different. Like, over here, it is spotlight. Over there, it's the light at the end of a tunnel that leads to North Korea.
No. Over here, it's spotlight. Over there, it's rice. Some rice. All I want, buddy, is for crop to grow and for us to have food to eat. That is all I want. I will dance like a K-pop guy if there is rice. That is the only scenario in which I can see a North Korean citizen dance. If there is food. Khana aa gaya.
To what music though? There is no music.
You won't need
You'll
it.
Find natural frequency.
Natural rhythm. One product which should just hire North Koreans as actors is Maggi.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Just North Koreans running.
It will be the best advertisement. Can you imagine? Who's the hungriest people on the planet? Them. Who would enjoy? Who understands the preciousness of time from when food is on stove and when it is in my mouth?
It's just perfect. Like,
Perfect.
I start cooking and before the cops come to pick me up for illegally cooking.
I think I have already found a way to pull off a coup in North Korea. You wouldn't even need soldiers. Just fill up plane with Maggi packets and drop it with a note कि देख और चाहिए
तो उड़ा दो.
That is it. 2 minute में पकता है, ज़्यादा time भी नहीं लेगा, अभी के लिए enjoy करो, and if you want to, just that, all you will need is I think 10 planes with
full
Maggi.
of this, just flying.
Just parachute it down and that's it. The whole experience has changed.
It will just start a movement where the flag is a Maggi packet.
I mean, because if you think about it, food security is a big part of being a leader. Right? I mean, that's why people in India, like, we had the Vidarbha water crisis and whatnot, and of course, shit hasn't changed as much. A lot of money has changed hand, but things haven't changed, and that was also a part of the food security problem. The fact that farmers cannot go ahead and depend on their crop and whatnot, and they, are not earning anything. So food is becoming a problem for them. Basic things are becoming a problem. That is what we judge a leadership upon. One of the most basic fundamental things that you have to take care of is food. All right, buddy, like, let's not have people dying because there is no food. Let's not have people dying because ghar nahi hai, ye nahi hai, wo, the basic things that we can take care of, because life is going to fuck us up anyway.
So खाली पेट मेरे को problems नहीं देने.
मतलब दिमाग भी नहीं चलता है, कुछ नहीं.
Like, then फिर रात को नींद नहीं आता है. Like, let my nightmares wake me up.
I mean, wouldn't it be like counterproductive to not have people eating? Like, wouldn't it be better, like, for Kim Jong-un if North Koreans are well fed?
Yeah, so much more better.
You might actually have a nuclear missile that works then. वो लोग physics में ध्यान लगेगा dude. Vitamin है, सब है अंदर, हाँ